The human skull is a complex structure that serves as the scaffold of the head and is crucial for protecting the brain and supporting the facial features. An adult human skull consists of 22 bones, which can be categorized into two main groups: the cranial bones and the facial bones. The frontal bone, 1, the parietal bones, 2, one on each side, the temporal bones, 2, also one on each side, the occipital bone, 1, the sphenoid bone, 1, the ethmoid bone, 1. These bones are tightly fused together to form the cranium, with joints called sutures. The sutures are fibrous, almost immovable connections that knit the cranial bones tightly together. They play a crucial role in absorbing impacts and preventing fractures that could potentially damage the brain. The mandible or jawbone, 1, which is the only movable bone of the skull. The maxillary bones, 2, which are fused to form the upper jaw. The zygomatic bones or cheekbones, 2, the nasal bones, 2, the lacrimal bones, 2, the smallest bones in the face, located in the corner of each eye. The palatine bones, 2, which form part of the hard palate of the mouth and the nasal cavity. The inferior nasal conchae, 2, which are part of the nasal cavity. The vomer, 1, which forms part of the nasal septum. An interesting fact about the human skull is that babies are born with more than the standard 22 bones. They possess approximately 270 bones at birth. This number decreases as they grow due to the fusion of various bones, especially the sutures in the skull. The bones remain separate in infants to allow for the expansion of the brain and the head during growth, eventually fusing to reach the mature number of 22 bones. In conclusion, the adult human skull is comprised of 22 individual bones that coalesce into a protective and supportive structure for the brain and face. The complexity of the skull's anatomy is a testament to the evolutionary refinements that have allowed humans to have robust protection for one of their most vital organs, the brain, while facilitating the diverse range of facial expressions and functions essential for communication, feeding, and sensory perception.